Airplane Boeing 7J7-300 Review. Clapperboard Introduction. A jetliner that never was, but could have changed everything. Welcome to this in-depth review of one of the most fascinating, forward-thinking, and ultimately cancelled commercial airliners ever conceived, the Boeing 7J7-300. This isn't your typical aircraft review because the 7J7 never entered production. Yet, its ambitious engineering, groundbreaking technology, and futuristic vision still echo in today's aviation world. Let's embark on an 8,000-word deep dive, imagining what could have been if Boeing's revolutionary 7J7-300 project had taken flight. From its inception in the 1980s to its potential specs, advanced engines, cabin features, and global market impact, this is your full video-style mega review of the Boeing 7J7-300. Airplane Departure Chapter 1, Origins and Concept, Why Boeing Thought the 7J7 Was the Future. Mantelpiece Clock. The 1980s airline landscape. In the early 1980s, the global airline market was shifting. Airlines were looking for more fuel-efficient aircraft to cut costs during a time of fluctuating fuel prices. The success of smaller jets like the Boeing 727 and 737 showed airlines wanted efficient short to medium-haul jets with improved economics. Boeing saw a new opportunity, a next-generation aircraft that would offer 25–60% greater fuel efficiency, a spacious, quiet cabin, innovative propulsion systems, digital cockpit systems, lower operating costs than existing aircraft. Thus, the concept of the 7J7 was born. Handshake Boeing and Japan, a unique partnership. The J in 7J7 stood for Japan, as Boeing partnered heavily with Japanese aerospace companies like Mitsubishi Heavy Industries, Kawasaki Heavy Industries, Fuji Heavy Industries. Japan would provide up to 25% of the funding and development, symbolizing one of the first major international collaborations in commercial aircraft design. Brain Chapter 2, Visionary Design, the aircraft's core philosophy. Rocket high efficiency at the core. Boeing wasn't just designing another aircraft. The 7J7 was built around a vision, a radically new aircraft offering 60% more efficiency with half the fuel burn. To accomplish this, the design team incorporated futuristic concepts never seen before on a commercial jet. Airplane Chapter 3, 7J7-300 Technical Overview. Let's take a closer look at the 7J7-300 variant, the largest of the proposed series. Triangle ruler dimensions and configuration. Length, approximately 44 meters, 144 feet. Wingspan, approximately 38 to 42 meters, 124–138 feet. Passenger capacity, approximately 170 to 190, two-class layout. Range, approximately 3,500 nautical miles. Cruising speed, Mach 0.83. DNA Advanced Materials. Composite materials in wing structures. Advanced aluminum lithium alloys. Weight savings of over 15–20% compared to 737s. Hammer and wrench airframe and aerodynamics. Supercritical wing design. Winglets for drag reduction. Clean, low-noise nacelle designs. Advanced high-lift devices, slats, flaps. Gear Chapter 4. Propulsion, the propfan revolution. Cyclone General Electric GE36 unducted fan. The most revolutionary aspect of the 7J7-300 was its propfan engines, particularly the GE36 UDF unducted fan. Wrench engine highlights. Open rotor design, no fan casing. Counter-rotating blades for high thrust. Nearly 30–35% better fuel economy than turbofans. Reduced CO emissions. Designed for cruise speeds near Mach 0.83, almost jet-like. No speaking, but there was a problem. The GE36 was noisy, despite noise reduction efforts. Cabin comfort and community noise concerns emerged. Boeing and GE worked to resolve this with new blade materials and nacelle acoustics. Pilot Chapter 5. The Cockpit, Fly-by-Wire and Glass Tech. Boeing wanted the 7J7-300 cockpit to be years ahead of its time. Desktop computer key features. Full glass cockpit with CRT displays, similar to the Airbus A320, which launched around the same time. Fly-by-wire. Flight controls. Boeing's first design to fully use FBW. Side-stick controller concept, similar to Airbus, though this was debated. Integrated aircraft systems and flight management. Pilots would enjoy a lighter workload, better situational awareness, and compatibility with future